Hey my darling, happy 45th. Welcome to the Big Girls Club. But seriously, I hope and pray you have the most awesome and blessed birthday that you could ever imagine. I love you yesterday, today, and forever. Have a happy baby. Love you. Here, I'm going to show you really quickly the Dollar Tree items. I have the Dollar Tree wine glass. Because everything on the table, I'm sorry, it's not Dollar Tree. We have the golden placemat here. Next, I'm going to show you the pink glass charger that I chose to use because pink is one of her favorite colors. All for you, babe. Next, I'm going to show you the, what is this? Okay, this is the new Dollar Tree faux marble plates that they have in stores now. Next, I'm going to apply the pink satin napkin and then the pink melamine plastic saucer. Now here, I've also added the faux marble bowls from Dollar Tree. So I did put a few Dollar Tree items in here, but I wanted this table to be special for her. And also, at the top here to your right, I do have the pink Dollar Tree metallic votive candles there in the centerpiece. And now I'm just going to show you guys the table. Happy birthday, babe.